Hi Joe, I got your question about the real estate API. So I just want to quickly show you how you can test this out to see if it works with Epiphany. The first thing I did was change this to PHP curl just because I'm used to reading it in that format. And when you choose curl, it gives you the whole URL including the parameter at the end. So you can change this parameter, the postal code, by entering a different number here. And what you're going to do is copy this URL. We're going to paste it in Epiphany. And then we're going to add a couple headers too. So in Epiphany, in the API URL path, go ahead and paste that URL. And then there's a couple headers we need to add. So the first header is X RapidAPI host. So in Epiphany, in the key field, I'm going to add X RapidAPI host, and the value is this part right here. And then I'm going to add a new row. I'm going to add a second header, which is X RapidAPI key. And you can see it says header right here, which is how I know that these are headers. And they're listed right here too, the header parameters. So I'm going to copy X RapidAPI key, which is the API key. And I'm not subscribed to this API, so I'm not exactly sure what this key is or if it even works or not. But I'll try running it anyways. It might not work because I'm not subscribed to this API, but go ahead and try it with your active key and see if it works. Yeah, I got an error message back that says I'm not subscribed. So follow the same steps and try it yourself and let me know how it goes. All right, thanks and have a good day.